Balikan po natin yung pananalita ni Commodore Tariela na tinawag niyang bully ang Pangulo ng China. Meron po ba tayong national policy na ang mga heads of state ng ibang bansa ay kailangan pa nating pasaringan ng negatibo?
Your Honor, I believe wala po.
Wala po. Wala rin tayong national policy na gagawa tayo ng caricatures para pasamain natin ang itsura ng mga heads of state ng ibang bansa.
Wala din po, Your Honor.
Sa makatwid, personal po ni Commodore Tariela ang kanyang ginawa. Tama po.
Probable po, Your Honor.
Ang sabi po sa bahagi ng sulat, Captain Pilar, while the lively exchanges of views are permitted in our democratic society, the department, meaning DFA, reiterates that differences and disputes between states are best addressed through established diplomatic channels rather than in public. Ako po'y naniniwala dito. Kayo po'y naniniwala rin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. The department believes that escalation, even in public messaging, should be undertaken only when it advances clear strategic objectives and the national interest. Ano pong strategic objective o national interest ang na-achieve natin sa ginawa ni Commodore Tariela na magpakita ng ganong mga statements at mga caricatures sa uncompromising at nakakahiyang paglalarawan sa kanilang head of state? What did we gain strategically in terms of national interest? Meron po ba?
Your Honor, I cannot answer on that.
Hindi, sa panukat mo lang.
Sir, being a member of the armed forces, we are voicing out the term RCs, our rights and our future, and we just stick to what is being dictated in our what is legally ours and what is stated in our law, sir.
Tama po yun.